Hi, hello everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to take apart this Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. About 3 days ago, you can see that I press the trigger, the vacuum cleaner is not working. The motor turned on a bit and then turned off. So I checked the battery, checked the filter, it's not the issue, so definitely the motor issue. I bought the motors online. So it's second-hand parts. Hopefully it works. So what you need is a star head screwdriver and then a long Phillips head screwdriver. So it's pretty easy. Probably take 10 minutes to take it apart. So first you take off the case, and then there are two bolts at the bottom. Take it apart. And then at the back, there's one more screws. You're using a Phillips head. And then you can take the battery out like this. Pretty simple. So next, you need to take the filter out, twist it, then take it out. Okay. And then there are 4 screws at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Use a Phillips head. And then there are 2 more screws at the bottom here. Also Phillips head. And then you can slowly take apart the front part and the bottom part like this. Okay. So I have been cleaned that inside, so you can see there's no dust. So if the first time you take it apart, there will be a lot of dust. You can do some deep clean. You can also open this 3 screw and take it apart to do really deep clean on it inside it. So today I'm not going to take apart the wet cup. You can see the motor here. The white part here is the motor. So take the 2 screws at the bottom first. And then you need to remove the white cap. You can use a hand, or you can use a little bit metal plier to ply it. Put it here, and then just simple take it out. Very easy. Okay. You can see there's a PCB board here, and there's few wire. So first thing, you need to take out a little cable like here. And then there are 2 main cable at the bottom. Need the screwdrivers. So you're using a star head driver to take it off first. You need to apply a little bit pressure on that. Oops. Okay, that's it. You can see the very small one. The screw is small driver screw. Okay, after the 2 screw at the bottom, you can take out. So you can see the cable like this. And then there's a red and black cable. press it there, and then you can take it off. For this boot cable, you do not need to take it out, but I'll show you how to take it. Just press a button here. Okay, next you need to put back the bed and rack cable. Just simply put the white thing in there and then apply a slightly pressure until you hear a click sound. Okay, so at the next you need to put a small bowl at the bottom to secure the two main cable. Battery, the power cable. It take a little bit time for me to secure it. Just take your time. Okay, after you secure the two power cable at the bottom, and then you can put the cap back. Just slightly put it back until you hear the two click sound on both sides. Okay. And then next, you put the bowl at the bottom, the two bottom bowl first. Okay, after you put the two bottom bolt, and then you slide the red cap to the main body. Just slow slide in, pretty easy. Very gently push it, and then you put everything together. And then finally, don't forget to put the filter in, and then you see, it come back. It works again. Slide back the front cap. There you go. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, please subscribe and like the video. Thank you very much.